Hello. I have Huggins and Skipper's available puppies. They are 7 weeks old, so these guys will start going home next week. Hi, pretty boy. Hi. Hold on. That's Hooch right there. That was sitting there all pretty for us. I couldn't see a string. Hi, you coming to say hello too? We got sweet pink string is Harmony. Hi. Who's ringing that bell, huh? Oh, it was me, say. It was me. That's Hope with the yellow string. Said I rang the bell. Harmony's trying to sit here patiently and wait for pets. Playing with the pink little blanket is Harry. He's a curly male. He's pretty laid back. He's just entertaining himself. A few of them are. Be easy, slow. I gotta figure out who we got over here under the chair playing with this rope toy. Black string is Henry. Another curly male. Hi, Henry. Hi, little buddy. Oh, is there a fly bugging you? Look how cute. So I would say Harry and Henry are the two more laid back ones. They're just fine entertaining themselves, aren't you? But if you pet them, they'll come and cuddle up in your lap. Yes. Yeah. Hi. Oh, just precious baby. Yeah. Look at you giving me your paw, huh? Yeah. Yellow string. Hope, I think you're pretty spunky, huh? You got a cobweb on your nose. Yeah. You're silly. Good girl. Look at those markings on you. Yeah.
He took my scrunchie.
That's not a dog toy. Did she give you that? Oh, belly rub. Harvey says I could use a belly rub. Yes, I could. No nibbling though, or you don't get a belly rub. Kinley, what color string do you have in your lap?
Maybe.
Navy? Hooch. Hooch seems to really like Kinley. And Rowan? Yeah?
You like that, but you want.
Where'd you tucker yourself out? Oh, goodness. Yeah. Is it wind down time now? You got all the zoomies out? Whoa. You're just still playing with them.
What are you doing back here?
Aww. All right. That's going to be it for this week. We'll see you next time.